I'd like to take a moment and show you the fax mode on your Canon copier. So we're going to go ahead and click on the fax icon on your home screen or main menu. And within here, we're going to go to the address book button. And here we can add an address, a fax number if we want. We're going to go to register new destination. Pick the fax button. Under the name, give it a descriptive name. And then down where you have after the equal sign, you would type in your fax number. And once you fill in both fields, you'll be able to click the OK button in the lower right corner. And now you've locked in that fax number in the address book. If you want to be able to edit or delete an entry, you click on the entry in question. You can go to Details Edit and make your modifications there and click OK. Or you select your entry and you can just click the Delete button and then click Yes to confirm. Or if you don't have a fax number stored, you can manually enter it in on either the on-screen keypad or the hard keypad, which is on the right side of the control panel. So go ahead and key in your entry and then hit the green start button to transmit your fax. You also have the option is to lighten or darken your fax by going to Density button. And you just need to dial in, reduce the lighten up your fax or darken it up. Also, if you have a two-sided original that you need to fax, you can enable the two-sided original feature and usually set book type as your default, and it'll read both sides of that document and fax both pages in one transmission. Also in options, if we page down to page 2, if you need a confirmation page after that fax, you can enable TX report. And once that fax gets sent out, you will get a report letting you know whether or not your fax failed or was successful.